Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile phone. We will start with the simple photo and turn it into a clean eye-catching design. Go to the gallery, select the image, razor color, enable button on, adjust the image, click on import button, adjust another image, select the image, enable button on, adjust the image, click on 3D option, y-axis, x-axis, adjust the image, adjust the color. Now your design is ready. Thanks for watching and see in next tutorial.